everybody, I am Kaushik Biswas. Please subscribe to my channel for my magic videos and my magic tutorials which I am uploading very frequently. A copper coin and a silver coin. Today I am going to perform a fantastic magic for you with a copper coin and a silver coin, and you can see all the names of places of my country are written on cards. And this is a detective story. This copper coin is a murderer and this silver coin is a detective. The copper coin will hop from one place to another and he will chase him, and finally they meet at a place where the murderer will be caught by the detective. A fantastic story, a fantastic magic, and I'll be helped by my son Kingshu.
Hi everyone.
Kingshu, you have to understand what you have to do. The first thing you have to do is, this is a copper coin, this is a silver coin.
Yeah.
Now you have to place a copper coin on any place.
Okay.
Any of these places, right?
Yeah.
And the silver coin to any other place.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll turn away,
Okay.
and then let us assume that you place the copper coin on Shillong and the silver coin, the detective, on Agra. Now I'll ask you to spell it. Now if it is on Shillong, then you have to spell the copper coin.
Okay.
That means you have to hop the coin, move the coin only once for every letter.
Okay.
Okay, এক একটা অক্ষরের জন্য একবার করে এই কয়েনটাকে, কপার কয়েনটাকে নিয়ে যেতে হবে.
Okay.
Remember this is the murderer.
Yeah.
Now for Shillong you can move it like this: S H I L L O N G, or any way.
We can't do crosswise.
I'll tell you, you can move the coin vertically or horizontally.
Okay.
Vertically or horizontally, it doesn't matter, but you cannot move the coin diagonally.
Okay.
Is that clear? Now for every letter of the place on which you have kept, you have to spell.
Okay.
If it is for example, in the case of the detective, that is the silver coin, it is in Agra, you can spell like this: A-G-R-A, or A-G-R-A, or A-G-R-A, any way you like.
Okay.
All right, but not diagonally.
Okay.
Second thing is, I will ask you to eliminate, say, Dhanbad and Kolkata. If I say Dhanbad and Kolkata to eliminate, you have to turn it like this. Okay?
Okay.
Just turn over. So if these are turned over, that means these two places have been eliminated.
Okay.
And on the next count, next hop, you should not put the coin on an eliminated place.
Okay.
That will not be a part of this magical story.
Okay.
Okay? So don't tell me where you are keeping it. Take these two. Now, here is a prediction. I am quite sure that the detective will catch the murderer at a certain place. Here is a prediction which I am not going to show you now. It is isolated from rest of the place because it is inside a peg glass. I'll put the peg glass here and you carry on. Okay? I'll turn away. Now put each coin on any of the places. যে কোনো জায়গার উপরে রাখো.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the copper coin, which is the murderer, এই খুনি, ওকে যেই প্লেসে রেখেছো অতবার স্পেল করো. Silently. Don't tell me.
Okay.
করেছো?
Yeah, done.
Alright. Now the detective, তাকেও স্পেল করো silently. যে জায়গায় তুমি রেখেছো সেই জায়গা থেকে স্পেলিং করো.
Done.
Now eliminate Kolkata and Dhanbad.
Done.
Okay. Move the murderer 3 times. 3 times.
Done.
Move the detective 3 times.
Done.
Eliminate Shillong and Darjeeling.
Done.
Now, move the murderer coin, that is the copper coin, 3 times.
Done.
Move the detective coin, that is the silver coin, 3 times. Any way you like.
Done.
Now, eliminate Bangalore and Chennai.
Done.
Now, move the copper coin, that is the murderer, 3 times.
Done.
And move the detective coin, that is the silver coin, 3 times.
Done.
Now eliminate Agra and Bhopal because they are not there.
Done.
Now, I believe that the murderer has been caught by the detective,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
ডিটেকটিভ মার্ডারারকে ধরতে পেরেছে
হ্যাঁ।
এবং কোথায় ধরেছে? and দিল্লি,
Yeah.
দিল্লিতে ধরে ফেলেছে। See, and I knew it. তুমি তোমার মতন এই কয়েনগুলোকে মুভ করেছো।
Yes.
I didn't tell you to move in a particular way, right?
Yeah.
But still, you have arrived at Delhi.
Yeah.
And that is the only place facing up and all are eliminated. Pick the top. Okay, there is nothing else. Now open it up. And that is my prediction. Let us see. And it is Delhi.
Superb.
Thank you. Please note the names of places with the number of alphabets in each. I'm sure you like the magic. Now, this is an automatic trick based upon mathematics. The mathematics এর উপর এই ম্যাজিকটা তৈরি হয়েছে এবং অ্যাকচুয়ালি ম্যাথমেটিক্সটা কি সেটা এখানে এক্সপ্লেন করতে গেলে পরে অনেক বড় হয়ে যাবে আমার ভিডিওটা। I don't want to make this video too long by explaining what mathematics is involved, how it works. But this much is good enough to tell you that it is based upon 2 odd numbers when added together gives an even number. When an odd number and an even number added together we get an odd number. দুটো জোড় সংখ্যা যোগ করলে পরে একটা জোড় সংখ্যা হয়, একটা বেজোড় একটা জোড় সংখ্যা যোগ করলে পরে একটা বেজোড় সংখ্যা হয়। তার উপরে বেস করে এই ম্যাজিকটি আছে। এই ডিফারেন্ট প্লেসেস রিটেন ওভার হিয়ার, এগুলোর সংখ্যাগুলো মানে number of letters present in each name is very important. Now, you don't have to get into all these intricacies, but this is automatic. What I want to say that is the spectator, the assisting spectator must understand what he or she has to do. যে আপনাকে সাহায্য করছে তাকে বুঝতে হবে ক্লিয়ারলি যে তাকে মুভটা কী করে করতে হবে। সে যদি ভুল করে তাহলে কিন্তু ম্যাজিকটি করা সম্ভব নয়। অলওয়েজ ইট উইল অ্যারাইভ অ্যাট দিল্লি ইন মাই কেস। এবার আপনারা যদি অন্য দেশের লোক হন বা আপনি যদি মানে ইফ ইউ আর ফ্রম এ ডিফারেন্ট কান্ট্রি দেন ইউ ক্যান write the names of places of your country instead of these names. But you have to keep one thing in mind that the number of letters in each of these places should be equal. এখানে যেমন 7টা আছে, আপনি যে নামটা এখানে লিখবেন তাতেও যেন 7টাই অক্ষর থাকে। So, for example, in Delhi there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So you have to put a name of another place of your country that also has same 5 letters for this particular card. I hope it is clear to you. And another thing, please make your assisting spectator understand that they can move any way you like, forward, backward, but horizontally and vertically only, not diagonally. That is not allowed. And when you name the places, they will have to turn over. Now, first, in this particular case, we are eliminating Kolkata and Dhanbad. If you forget, you can write them down in a small sheet of paper, put it in your pocket, and while you are turning around, you can just have a look and tell the names. First elimination in this case is Kolkata, Dhanbad. Second is Shillong and Darjeeling. Shillong and Darjeeling, these two. Third is Bangalore and Chennai. Last is Agra and Bhopal. It's very easy. And the only name that will remain is Delhi in this case. Another good idea is to use different moods of people. For example, angry, love, disappointed. Now, different moods of people in these cards. And here is a girl, here is a boy. They hop from one mood to another and ultimately meet at the center card, which is love. So I have given you all the idea that is necessary to make this up. It is very easy. You can make your prediction and keep it not necessarily in a glass. You can keep it on the table as well. আপনি টেবিলেও রাখতে পারেন, and I believe this is going to have killer effect in your magical repertoire. Bye bye.